I'm Chuck Brown, CEO of Infinity. There are a lot of tools that you learn to use as you grow a business. Some are mechanical, some are software, and some are developmental. Peer groups typically fall into the last of these, developmental. David and I have been involved with peer groups for over 15 years at Infinity. I thought it might be helpful to tell you why we have found peer groups to be worthwhile. In our case, we joined a peer group in 2009. We'd been in business for a few years and still really learning what we didn't know. A peer group offered us the opportunity to get away from the business a few times a year and meet for 2 days with a group of like-minded business owners that were in our industry. For us, it brought several things: a framework to understand our finances and performance metrics, the opportunity to share and learn from others as to how we did things differently, new vendors and products that were in use in other places, and most important, accountability. This worked for us, and we are still meeting with that group currently. However, peer groups vary widely. Some meet locally, some require travel. Some are industry specific, some are not. For example, there are CFO peer groups, there are medical manager peer groups, there are peer groups for those of like-minded faith. They bring different strengths and weaknesses to the table. Some are frankly more of a chance to socialize, where others are very focused on improvement. Personally, I know that our journey in the business world would not have been nearly as successful without a great peer group. Considering the variety that are available, I can't imagine a business leader who couldn't find a peer group to participate in that would not provide significant benefit to them. Like so many things, it all depends on what you put into it. Participation in a peer group can require a substantial investment of time and money. Going to the effort of joining and participating without fully committing yourself to be involved is a waste of both your time and money. But done right, you'll reap benefits throughout your business career. If you'd like to chat sometime about our experience with peer groups, just reach out. Call 912-629-2426 or visit us at www.infinity.us.